How to fix update KB5043145 failed to install in Windows 11 23H2 and 22H2. Hello friends, you might face problems when installing KB5043145. This is a non-security update for Windows 11 23H2 and 22H2 for September 2024. The update increases the version to Windows 11 22H2 22621.4249 and 23H2 22631.4249. Follow the steps to fix it. Click on the link to Microsoft Update Catalog from the description of this video. You will reach this page. Here are 4 files. Find the one that is supporting your computer. Click on Start. Click on Settings. Go to System. Scroll down. Click on About. Check System Type. 64-bit operating system. Go to the page in Microsoft Update Catalog. x64 based system for 23H2. The last file, click on Download. Click on the link here. This is a standalone file. Once downloading is completed, click on File Explorer icon. Click on Downloads. Right click on the downloaded file. Click on Open. Preparing for the installation. Do you want to install the following Windows software update? Click on Yes. After a couple of restarts, the update will be installed. Method 2. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Click on Start. Click on Settings. Click on System. Scroll down. Click on Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooter. This is Windows Update. Click on Run. Allow the process to complete. Follow the suggestions given by the troubleshooter and restart your computer. Method 3. Reset Windows Update Cache. Click on Search. Type CMD. Right click on Command Prompt. Select Run as Administrator. To reset Windows Update Cache, you need to run these commands. Run each line separately. Copy the first line. Paste into the command prompt and press Enter. Copy the second one. All the commands are given in the description of this video. In the same way, run all these lines of command and restart your computer. Method 4. Unplug external devices. If the issue still persists, detach any external storage devices and drives, docks, and other hardware plugged into your computer. Then try to install the update again and see if the issue is resolved. Method 5. Run SFC and DISM tools. Click on Search. Type CMD. Select Run as Administrator. Type SFC / scan now. Press Enter. After verification reaches 100%, run these 3 commands. These are DISM commands. All the commands are given in the description. And then restart your computer. Method 6. Run disk cleanup. In the Microsoft Update Catalog, see what is the size of the update. This is approximately 756.7 MB. Go to File Explorer, this PC, and make sure that 756.7 MB is at least empty. If not, then run disk cleanup. To delete unnecessary files, click on search, type clean mgr, click on disk cleanup, select correct drive, click on OK. Click on cleanup system files, click on OK. Check all the boxes here and click on OK. Click on delete files. If any methods don't work, then the last one is in place upgrade. Type Windows 11 download. Press enter. Click on this link. Scroll down. Click on select download. Choose Windows 11 multi-edition ISO for x64 devices. Click on download now. Click on choose one. Choose a language. Click on confirm. Click on 64-bit download. After downloading, go to the downloads folder. Right click on the ISO file. Select mount. Click on open. Right click on setup.exe. Click on open. Check the box. I want to help make the installation better. Click on next. Click on accept. Keep personal files only. This is selected by default. Leave it as it is. Click on next. Do you want to continue using this selection? Click on yes. Then follow the on-screen instructions. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching the video.